Okay, so we had the idea to visualize a chat. So what could that look like? And the idea was sort of kind of stemming from the concept of, you know, how can we automatically create experiences? And so we thought a chat was a nice way to do that with text. And so we came up with a name for the group, which was sort of based on the Babel fish, which translates between languages, with the visual fish, which translates into a new kind of language, a visual language. So yeah, when we started the group, we had the idea of a chat, but the first question was, are we really going to write our own chat? It seemed a little ambitious, and we thought, why not just use some of the things that are already out there? And that was a pattern. I guess a lot of people did that, but I was just remarking in our project how much we were able to ride on existing content and services. So we decided to integrate with Slack just to get a leg up on the whole thing. Maybe we can already start the app. So we have two more members of our team which are helping us back there, Yen and Alan. So they are basically going to be putting in chats as we're talking, and you'll see the visualization that our system came up with. Yeah. So we used Slack, and then we thought about, we were thinking about our technology stack, and even though our team didn't all know JavaScript and Node, we decided, let's go ahead and, do we have a technical difficulty? Sorry, just a second. Well, I guess I can keep doing the spiel. We decided let's go ahead and use Node, and we thought, well, we know we want to be connecting to a bunch of different content sources. Let's just use content sources that are already on the web. We thought, okay, maybe YouTube, maybe some stock footage places, maybe Flickr. And we thought that'd be a nice exercise to start things off and get people familiar with Node. Each one of us is going to connect one of the services. And so Dirk gave us a little intro to how to create a package, and then everybody in our team created one of the integrations to the content sources. Yeah, and then of course we used a ton of libraries, so you heard about the content sources, but another question was, how do we want to transform that text into imagery? I mean, it's not going to be that amazing if somebody is like, if you're trying to translate the, or is, or and, we would really just want the content that would make sense to visualize. So, we looked around and again found libraries that people had already written. Well, one called Speakeasy, and that let us do things like look for the subject of what was being typed, or fall back and look for nouns that were in the subject. Yeah, maybe you want to speak about the use cases? I mean, we started out just thinking about it as something for fun, but then thought...
Yeah, beside the fact of having fun about those amazing images. The idea was also to use this kind of chat integration for conferences like this, or for big events where people are already using chat integrations like Slack, and you just could use this kind of display to show in a visual way what's going on and the people are talking about. Yeah, and for the personal use, you can use it as a visual bookmark. Imagine you are chatting with people a long time, and then you remember, where should I find the one sentence, but maybe this cute little girl remembers you where to search for this little text.
Yeah, then maybe just a last note. We did a visual chat, but the technology that's there now on GitHub, I mean, you could use it for any kind of text source. I mean, it'd be very easy to adapt to any kind of text source, and it's very clean to integrate other content sources, other web services. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Do you have something you want to try? What should we type in there? Are we out? Do we have another minute? Or?
No, this was the out.
That was it. Okay. Well, maybe afterwards we can put some things in. Okay. Thanks.